What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, AI, is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines that can think and act like humans. It involves the use of advanced technologies such as machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and neural networks to create systems that can learn from their environment and make decisions based on the data they receive. AI has been used in many areas such as robotics, healthcare, finance, transportation, and autonomous vehicles. AI has the potential to revolutionize many industries by providing more efficient solutions for tasks that would otherwise be done by humans. AI impact on different areas of our lives. Artificial intelligence, AI, has been making a huge impact on different areas of our lives. AI technology is being used in healthcare, education, finance, and marketing to improve efficiency and accuracy. AI can help reduce the workload of medical professionals by providing them with accurate diagnoses and treatment plans. It can also be used to personalize learning experiences for students, enabling them to learn more effectively. In the financial sector, AI can help automate processes such as risk assessment and fraud detection. Finally, in the marketing world, AI can be used to create personalized customer experiences through predictive analytics. This introduction highlights how AI is revolutionizing different aspects of our lives and why it is so important for us to embrace this technology for future success. The benefits of artificial intelligence and how it can help you achieve goals quicker. Artificial intelligence, AI, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. It has become increasingly popular in recent years due to its ability to automate tasks and help people achieve their goals quicker. AI can be used for a variety of applications, from automation and data analysis to natural language processing and robotics. In this video, we will discuss the benefits of artificial intelligence and how it can help you achieve your goals faster. We will also look at some common use cases for AI and its potential applications in the future. Exploring different types of AI and their impact on our lives. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the way we live and work. AI is being used in many different industries and sectors, including finance, healthcare, automotive, and education. With AI, machines can learn from data to make decisions and predictions that would otherwise be difficult or impossible for humans to make. The three main types of AI are supervised learning algorithms, unsupervised learning algorithms, and reinforcement learning algorithms. Supervised learning algorithms use labeled datasets to train a machine to recognize patterns in data. Unsupervised learning algorithms use unlabeled datasets to identify patterns, and reinforcement learning algorithms use rewards to teach machines how to solve problems. Each type of AI has its own unique set of advantages and disadvantages that need to be considered when implementing an AI system into a particular application. By understanding these different types of AI, we can better understand their impact on our lives as well as the potential benefits they can bring in various industries. What are the challenges with artificial intelligence and how can they be overcome? Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly growing field with the potential to revolutionize how we interact with technology. However, AI systems are not without their own set of challenges. These include issues such as bias in AI systems, ethical considerations, and the need for robust datasets to train AI models. In this video, we will explore these challenges and discuss ways in which they can be addressed in order to ensure that AI technology is used responsibly and ethically. We will also look at some of the current research being conducted into overcoming these issues and the potential solutions they may offer. The pros and cons of AI development. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a technology that has been rapidly evolving over the past few years. It has become an integral part of our lives, from helping us to automate mundane tasks to providing us with smarter solutions in various industries. While there are numerous advantages of AI development, there are also some drawbacks associated with it. In this video, we will be discussing the pros and cons of AI development so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it is worth investing in for your business. Types of AI and their use cases. Artificial intelligence. AI is a term used to describe the ability of computers to perform tasks that were traditionally carried out by humans. AI enables machines to learn from previous experiences and adapt to new situations. AI is used in a variety of applications, such as computer vision, natural language processing, robotics, and autonomous vehicles. This video will explore the different types of AI and their use cases. We will look at how computer vision AI can be used for facial recognition, object detection, image classification, and more. We will also look at how natural language processing can be applied in text analysis, sentiment analysis, and machine translation. Finally, we will discuss some of the most popular use cases for each type of AI technology. How to get started with artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly growing field that is transforming how businesses operate. With AI, companies are able to automate processes, save time and money, and gain insights from data that was previously too complex to analyze. Getting started with AI development can be daunting for those without experience in the field. Fortunately, there are a variety of resources available to help you learn the fundamentals of AI development. From online courses to tutorials and books, you can find guidance on topics like machine learning algorithms, natural language processing, image recognition, and more. Additionally, there are many tools available to help you start building your own AI system quickly and easily. With the right knowledge and tools in hand, you'll soon be ready to dive into the world of artificial intelligence development. Conclusion: how AI will shape our future. As AI technology continues to evolve, it is becoming increasingly clear that it will play an important role in shaping our future. AI systems are already being used in a wide range of applications, from healthcare and finance to robotics and automation. AI can help us make decisions faster, improve efficiency, and even create new products and services. As the technology advances, we can expect to see more use cases for AI in the future. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants and intelligent agents, AI has the potential to revolutionize how we live and work.